I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin, tons of volatility today. We talked about it as a possibility yesterday based on some news that came out. We're going to go over that idea. Banging. So the cycle top 2017 is still intact, barely the bulls holding on to this key level. Need to put in a double bottom for any type of upside ideas out of Bitcoin. However, dude, until the Fed stops raising these rates, the markets, all markets are in trouble. They're trying to strengthen the dollar. This is plan A, long the breakout to the upside. We're not there yet. Plan B, short the breakout to the downside. Well, guess what happened? The bears got completely trapped. So CPI data came out, which is inflation information, and it was worse than market expectations. We're going to go over this in detail in just a second. So you had this huge move to the downside, all the way down to 17,825. Now an epic bounce. The bears went short right here. They're trapped. So if this breaks out and flips this level, you're going long. And bears right here are being punished. Now, when you get this news, and I want you to help me backtest this idea, whatever way the market moves, a lot of time it's retail selling or bots and algos, and then you get moves completely opposite direction. So understand that the bulls still have work to do for upside ideas, but the bears are worried and they're having to buy Bitcoin in order to essentially offset the losses of their short trades that they're in right now. Okay, so the bears are trapped. Bulls need to push the price higher. This is plan A, plan B. So plan A was a fake out. We talk about these all the time. When you get a bear trap, the bears are trapped here. So you have to be able to flip quickly and long the idea. But I mean, really, until you get a breakout of this level up here, like you're still in a macro downtrend for the Bitcoin bulls. That's some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person has been in the group a couple months, over 3 months, up 120%. Bear market up over 120%. Banging. This person up 280%, joined in June in a bear market. That's what we're doing. We're trading both ways. This young lady, she made $1.65 million Canadian profit since she joined the group. It would take her 31 years to earn this at her job. She's going to retire and devote her time to the group, trade crypto full time. 1.65 million Canadian dollars, and quit her full-time job. Banging. Look, I just posted this in group. Here's how we're making all the money. Sushi, short, up 69%. We had 133% out of a PHNX gem pick banger. SURV up 93%. EQX, we nail the gem pick bangers. I got pages of these. This is all from today. You make money trading the market both ways, and you clean house, and you change your life. It's that simple. I've had so many people rejoining the group and joining the group because of the discount. So we're going to continue that. Can help you. I'll change your life forever, period. Remember, you go over to the website, cryptorev.net. It pays for itself. It's a no-brainer, cryptorev.net. If you go down into the description of this video, there's a link take you directly to this website. Remember, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. This is the CPI information. So CPI report comes out and they say, hey, oil is up 58% over last year, year over year. Gas and utilities are up 33%. Gasoline up 18%. Electricity up 15%. Transportation up 14%. Food, groceries, 13%. Cars up almost 10%. Food out to eat up 8.5%. So overall CPI is 8.2%. Market was expecting 8.1%. Immediately have all this crazy selling. Immediately, soon as it's like the bots and algos are programmed to trade and sell and just dump on this news based on market expectations. And then The buyers came back in and completely punished the bears. Bears are trapped. And they're getting punished right now. They're all getting liquidated right now. They're losing all their money, period. On these traps, you can get good reversals. It's like this news is a variable that's hard to trade. But the most important, I mean, look, gold wrecked. Bitcoin USD wrecked. Euro USD wrecked. S&P 500 E-mini futures, we always talk about, wrecked. But then the bounce happened and it was all a trap at this point. So can the bulls continue to the upside and push this price higher and actually put in a breakout of this diagonal trend line? And that's the big test. All this crazy volatility, this is called a whipsaw pattern. I mean, all this is a way to just completely devastate over leverage longs and shorts. This news is hard to trade right here, but give me a breakout here. Bulls put in some higher highs and higher lows, things change. Come back down here and you retest this level, it doesn't hold, then Bitcoin downside. Pay attention to this news. We just talked about this yesterday. The news that moves the market. Now, the dollar. So really what has to happen here is the dollar needs to break to the downside on this rising broadening wedge. You want things to change. You want a better stock market, crypto market, Bitcoin market, altcoin market. Things have to change here. If the dollar pumps and continues higher, you're going to see more devastation, crypto carnage coming. Now, this is the ES1. Yesterday, I posted on Twitter. Just ignore everything else. Understand this one idea. If you put in a double bottom reversal right here, you're looking for Bitcoin upside. But look, this is stuck right here, right here. You could get a bearish retest at this level and just see a massive move to the downside. Put all the noise aside. Focus on this chart. Go to Tradingview, search ES1 exclamation point. Chart this coin and it will give you a way to front run right here. This thing is in the middle of no man's land, right? You got this falling wedge. Price action is supposed to continue in the pattern and it's right in the middle. If you get rejected here, downside out of Bitcoin, total 2 looks terrible. We talked about this and we had shorted ADA, and I talked to you about another coin to possibly short, and we're going to look at Solana in just a second. But you saw this level, price action came up here, rejected, came up here, rejected, came up here, rejected, support, this key level got lost, and these altcoins completely rolled over. Now, unless this thing breaks out of this falling wedge, it's hard to go long for any period of time on any altcoins. You want to hold altcoins, you need to break out of this pattern. You want to hold altcoins, that happens when this pattern breaks out, not before that, because this can easily bounce up here, bearishly retest, and get major move to the downside, period. The fake outs in this market, most people, they're trained to trade breakouts, and it's very easy to fake out the retail markets. They love to do it. Market makers are here to take your money. They're trying to trick you. So this was an ADA short I posted on the 29th of September. It's up 75%. Make money in this market going both ways. This is ADA, just the regular chart. So you have this huge, and ADA, Bitcoin's going sideways yesterday, and ADA in this descending triangle just got nuked. So if ADA comes up here and retests this area and gets rejected, you're looking for more downside out of ADA, and you can short ADA here. Solana is right. It looks like, okay, so you've got this, all the buyers were right here last time in this area, right? And so they reversed the trend after this huge move to the downside. So that's key support. So if Solana loses this level, it looks like ADA, and you're looking for a tremendous downside. You could see $22, $18, $11 Solana if this thing breaks the downside, or you get a bearish retest. So understand how all this news works together, and you can use stock market data. And so I'm constantly, you've got to learn this stuff. If you learn these ideas, you will change your life forever. You'll not work again, period. Because you can only imagine, what's the stock market going to do next 4, 8, 10, 12 years in crypto? They're going to run the thing. I mean, we're essentially Bitcoin. It's like trading a tech stock. And that's all we're doing is we've latched onto these ideas. We're going to have a ton, as soon as Bitcoin is in an uptrend again and these altcoins start taking off, all your altcoins, you're going to start to get a bunch of news because the developers, the biggest holders of the coins, want to make money, and they will pump their coins, and they're going to put out the news when it helps them the most, when it helps them make the most money. They're not going to put out a bunch of news now when everything's getting wrecked. So as soon as that crypto news starts coming out, obviously things change considerably in the market for Bitcoin, but I mean, we're just not there yet. So the Fed has a meeting on November the 2nd, looking for a rate hike again. 75 basis points is highly probable. Anything higher than that tanks the market. Write that down. November the 2nd. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.